Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 2E, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the upper button, like this, then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, like that. And here we can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like to use, and simply tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So let's open the watch face menu again. And some of the watch faces have the settings icon below them. I think only one has it right here on this watch. Right here, you can tap on the settings icon and we can customize the widgets on this watch face. Basically, you can tap on one, select it, and here we have a list of widgets we can choose. Select one, for example, I'm gonna select battery, then let's select stress, here let's select heart rate, and then let's select date for the last one. And once you're done customizing your watch face, simply press the upper button to go back and confirm, as you can see. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here. Let's wake it up, unlock it, open the Huawei Health app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on devices right here at the bottom. Then select our HUAWEI Watch GT 2E from the list of devices. And right here we have watch faces category. Tap on more. Then tap next, allow. And here select mine at the top. And right here we have a list of watch faces installed on our watch. And we can change them by simply tapping on one, like this, and then tapping on set as default, like that. As you can see, it was applied on our watch. Let's select something else, for example this one, and set as default, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.